Hey there, Jason Fitzgerald from Blustream US here at InfoComm 2021. And what I'm going to talk to you here about is our Hex18G ARC kit. Now, as the name suggests, with 18G in it, this is new HDBaseT 3.0 technology that we've, actually now our second product that utilizes this technology, our first being the Hex18G. And what this is using, like I said, is the newest technology from HDBaseT and really unlocks nearly all the functionality that you can with those new chips. So Blustream being one of the first to market with these new chips, this is our second product now doing it, has the capability to do USB 2.0 bidirectionally. You can do it from one side or the other. It has, of course, HDMI, full 18G, nearly uncompressed or compressed, well, uncompressed, unconverted. And if we look at the backside here, you'll see we've got all the other popular necessary IOs. We've got Ethernet capabilities. We have EARC functionality, so you see that second HDMI port that's located on the receiver. We have bidirectional IR, RS-232, and of course power. Another interesting part of this, because we're using that new HDBaseT chipset, we can of course send video back 720p. Currently, the opposite direction. So in those instances, for example, if we have a conference room, we're sending video out to a screen and we want to send a 720p camera back, we can certainly do that. All right, so latest technology from Blustream. This is the Hex18G ARC kit. And Jason Fitzgerald here at InfoComm. And for more information, please visit us at www.blustreamus.com.